Hello traders, welcome to my screen and happy trading. Yeah, on this video today, let's analyze AUD chef. Moving over to the higher time frame, like I've said before, what do we come to the higher time frame to do? We come to the higher time frame for direction to see the direction of the market, where the market is going through. So that is what we do on the higher time frame. So let's move over to the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that AUD chef is on a bearish downtrend. As you can see, creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And as you can see, AUD chef has pulled back to this level right here. When AUD chef gets to this key level of resistance, that level rejected that price to the upside. It pulled back again for a second attempt. That level rejected that price, and as you can see, we have a double bottom on that key level of support. Now, again, now we have seen what we need to see on AUD chef on the higher time frame. We can see that AUD chef attempted this level of support, and when it gets here, it could not break higher. It bounced off again, pull back again for a second attempt, and that level rejected that price. It pull up again, come back again to still attempt that level, that key level of support, still rejected that price, telling us that we have a strong buying pressure on that key level of support. The buyers are there on that level of support. Look at it. We have a sell-off right here. This is a sell-off. He pulled back, attempted again for the second attempt, and could not break lower. So this is giving us a trend reversal. Look at it, the high. This is a low. This is a high. Another attempt again, could not still break higher. Now, as you can also see, we have within a big trend reversal, there is another small trend reversal that is forming within the big trend reversal. Now look at it. When we have a big trend reversal, now we have a push to the downside. Price attempted this key level of resistance, could not break higher. That resistance level rejected that price. It pushed it down again, could not still break lower. That key level of support of support rejected that price to the upside. And again, price, as you can see, price come back again to attempt this level, could not still break lower again. Everything is just telling us that this key level of support is strong for price to break higher. For price to break lower. Now, even the trend line, we have the first touch of a trend line. It was rejected. This is the inner trend line. Now we have the first touch of the inner trend line. It was rejected. When price gets to that level and to that trend line rejected that price. Second touch, it was also rejected. Upon the third touch right here, price break bounce off that. Okay, let me take this one out. Oh, what's this? Now we have the first touch of the trend line. Second touch, it was rejected. Upon the third touch, price bounced off that level. It created a trend reversal here. We expect price to continue going higher, but but could not go higher because price has come to this key level of resistance right here. This level of resistance resists the price down, form a trend reversal, and push it down to test the outer part of this inner trend line and bounce off again. When it bounce off, price should continue heading higher. What the market did, it moved sideways still attempt this key level of support to see if it could break lower, but that did not happen. Price was unable to break that level of support, and price is pointing to the upside now. Now we bring out the main trend line, that is the outer trend line. We are done with the inner trend line, so we work with the outer trend line. The first touch of the trend line, it was also rejected too. Price came back here, it was also rejected too. Price come here for the second attempt, it was also rejected too, and now price is going for the third attempt. Now for the third attempt, price can either break out of this trend line, or that trend line might reject that price for the third attempt again. When price get to this third touch of the trend line, if it should get rejected, price is coming to attempt this key level of support again. But when price get to this key level of to this trend line for the third touch, if it should break out, if price is unable to break this trend line, this outer part of the trend line, price should come to this key level of resistance to attempt it. When price gets here, if price is able to clear this resistance level, price should break up to the upside. But now AUD is kind of moving in a sideways movement within a range right here. This resistance level right here is like a gate. Once the gate is open, price will be free to move to the upside. Now we have seen what we need to see on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame. AUD is on a downtrend. Price has come to a key level of support, attempting that level for multiple times, could not break lower. It has formed a trend reversal. Now within a big trend reversal, it also formed a small trend reversal, kind of ranging, but it's showing us like it's a trend reversal. Now we have bring out the trend line. We have used the trend line. We have the first touch of the inner trend line, it was rejected. Second touch, it was also rejected. Upon the third touch, the price break through, the pull back to test the outer point of that inner trend line and bounce off. This inner trend line is has finished its work. So now the next trend line is this outer one. Now, like I've said earlier, I'm just summarizing. We have the first touch, it was rejected. Second touch was also rejected. Third touch, price is going for the third attempt of the trend line. If price should break through the trend line, if that trend line did not reject that price for the third time, price should come here to this key level of resistance. If this key level of resistance did not push this price down again and it break through, price is coming here. It will keep climbing from one support to another resistance. That is how it will keep going to the upside. Now let's go to the daily time frame to see more clear. Okay, now on the daily time frame, we can see that we have a range right here. Price is currently pushing in a sideways movement right here. Now, and this is a minor level of resistance. This is a minor, yes, this is a key level of support right here, and here is a minor level of resistance. This minor level of resistance is pushing this price lower. When price gets here, let me take this one out. Now when price gets here, price is unable to break up to the upside because we have a minor level of resistance right here. Within the range, it gives us a trend reversal. Price break higher and break lower. It pull back to retest it. Let me zoom out properly. Now, we have the first touch. Within the range, there's a trend that is forming within it. We have a trend reversal right here. Price push back and push down, break this minor level, pull back to test it, push to the downside. We draw how the trend line. We have the first touch, price rejected it pushed down. Second touch, that trend line rejected it pushed down again. And what we have a breakout upon the third touch of the trend line. Price is also what wants to drop, and price wants to come here. But as it is now, what is holding price from going higher? What is holding price from going higher is this yellow bar right here. As you can see, we have since last week we have a bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame. When price gets here, price of that level rejected that minor level of resistance rejected that price to the downside. The second candle they open again was still unable to break higher. The third candle, which is yesterday, rejected that price again, close. The sellers are there, they push the price down, and on this day, price is currently attempting that level again. Now, we have seen that if price should break out of this yellow bar right here and close, we need to see a daily candle break and close right here. Once that is once we can see that, we should see AUD price coming to this yellow bar right here, to this next level of minor level of resistance. So minor level of resistance. Once you can see that, once price gets here, once price okay, I'm coming, let me zoom out properly. Okay. Now as you can see, we have the first touch of this main trend line. This is the second attempt. This is the second attempt touch. It was rejected, and price is going for the third attempt right here. When if a daily candle can break out of this trend line, of this minor level of resistance, close above it, pull back, give us a confirmation to continue going higher, like a bullish engulfing candle or a morning star. If we can see that right here, price is coming here to this minor level of resistance to attempt it for the third touch. If the third touch should break higher, AUD price is coming to this key level of resistance here. I mean, AUD chef is coming to this key level of resistance here. AUD chef is coming to this key level of resistance here. But now, what I'm also thinking right now that the market might do, it might not necessarily do that, and it might still do that, but I'm just saying my own scenario. Now I'm looking at, now since price has been struggling to break this yellow bar right here, this might look like an inverse head and shoulder to to point price to the upside. Now this is a head, I mean this is a left shoulder, this is a head, and the right shoulder might form right here to blow it up. It might necessarily do that, it might not do that. But what we need to see is, we need to see price break this yellow minor level right here, close above it, then price will continue coming to this yellow bar of resistance right here. This is what we need to see. Once that is done, we can start looking for buying opportunity on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what is what is happening right there too. Now, okay, now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is currently reacting also on that on that minor level right here. This minor level of this yellow minor level right here is strong in such a way that price is unable to break higher. We need to see a strong momentum from the buyers to break this to break and close inside this yellow bar right here, above this yellow bar right here. This yellow bar is like an obstacle that is blocking price from going higher. This yellow bar right here is an obstacle that is rejecting price from going higher, but eventually it will break through. Price cannot remain like this forever. It might take time, but it is still going to break out and close right here. Once once price has closed right here, definitely price price is coming to this minor level of resistance right here. This is a sure banker, but I am favoring the upside, like I've said. Now, so we have seen what we need to see on AUD chef. We need to see price break and close here. Once we can see that, we should see price coming to this key level of support right here, of resistance right here. We should see we need to see price break and close like this, do something like this, and come here. But note, but note, price price is not going to just move freely like that. It has to move in sequence. When it break and close outside this yellow line right here, it has to move. It will break, close, pull back. It will be going gradually. It will be acting as if it won't go, but it's still going to go. It will go. So it will be going in sequence gradually, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher, until it gets here. When price gets to this minor level of resistance, it's coming to attempt this trend line again for the third time. When price gets here and break and above here, it's coming to attempt this trend line for the third time, this outer trend line for the third time. Once once that is done, if this trend line should not reject that price and price break above it and price break out, we are coming to this key level of resistance right here. So we have seen what we need to see on the from the higher time frame. Then we scale down to the 4 hour time frame. From the weekly we come to the daily, and from the daily we come to the 4 hour. We have seen what we need to see. We have seen that the we have seen the deciding factor, that we have a minor level of resistance that is suggesting that price from going higher. Eventually that price will still break through. So that is that on Euro USD. If you are watching this video for the first time, please smash the subscribe button right there.